Travis making some corn dogs, right, bud?
Mm-hmm. With my dad. Make sure they look the same. That's good.
It's good.
Mm.
Good job, bud. So what do we got right there? 8 of them?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job, bud. Alright, Travis is making homemade corn dogs. There's his cornmeal, 1 cup. Then his flours next.
This one. Right?
Or you can put that one. That's his bacon powder, salt.
And then this one.
Yep, and then 1 cup of flour. Just go ahead and dump it all. Mix it up a little bit. This kid loves corn dogs, huh, Travis?
Yes, I really do. Tell me when to stop.
Oh, you're gonna go for like 20 days?
No.
30?
Tell me when.
45?
Yeah.
67 days.
Okay.
That's what you got. 66 more days to go.
Tell me when to.
I told you in 67 days.
No.
We're not even a day into this.
Sounds like black one.
Go ahead and add your egg,
And now we add this
your oil,
oil. And then we add
2
milk.
tablespoons of oil, and a quarter cup and a quarter of
Another
buttermilk. Yep. Just pour it all. And then start mixing it. That's the buttermilk that you're smelling.
Oh wait.
Yeah, get it all. We want
the full process.
Yeah, we want it thick but also creamy a little.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, that's looking good. Looking good, Travis. How does it smell?
Smells good.
You like that buttermilk smell, huh?
Yeah, it smells like camembert.
All right, we're ready. We'll pour this in a cup, okay?
Okay.
We are being sponsored by the Luxor in Las Vegas. Yeah, why is that? Travis is dipping his corn dog in there.
Okay, got it.
You gonna put 2 in there?
Yeah.
All right. There you
Maybe
go.
I might go for 3.
No, 2's good enough. All right.
Now let's.
Ready, bud?
Yeah.
I'll drop them in. Then go
I
ahead
can
and
smell them.
get 2 more in there.
I can smell them from here.
Can smell them? Smell good?
Yeah, I smell.
Let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. 275.
Now look at that.
Looks good, huh? Go ahead and try your Travis's homemade corn dogs.
Where's my dad?
Yeah?
This is really good.
Really good? Well, you made it yourself.
I'm not kidding.
Not kidding? How many thumbs up?
1,000. 1,000.
1,000 thumbs up? Good job, buddy. Love you. How is it, man? It's still good?
Yeah, better than before.
Better than before. It's getting better with each bite.
Mm-hmm.
How's that crunch? Let's hear it. Oh, yeah. That's money, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Money.